Hello folks, this is Don Cloud from Cloud Financial with a January 2016 Educational Economic Update. In this video, we'll talk about some of the economic headlines that influenced markets last month and give you some insight into what they might mean for investors. Please stay tuned at the end for a required disclosure statement. The final weeks of 2015 were very volatile for the markets. Investors grappled with a Federal Reserve rate hike as well as global growth picture that has become cloudy. Let's take a look at some of this month's events. The Federal Reserve finally pulled the trigger on higher interest rates in mid-December, voting to raise interest rates above zero for the first time since 2006. As expected, the Fed raised rates just a fraction of a percent. The increase in rates is a vote of confidence in the economy, and Fed policymakers have stressed that they intend to move carefully in the future. Higher interest rates will have a ripple effect across the economy and translate into higher mortgage rates and auto loan rates. How will this affect the economy next year? Well, it's too soon to know, but keep in mind that housing activity and consumer spending patterns were boosted more by a strong labor market than low interest rates. We hope that strength in hiring and consumer spending will continue to drive the economy forward. We also got our final look at third quarter economic growth last month and learned that the economy grew by 2%, a smidge lower than the 2.1% growth reported in the second estimate. Now, as predicted, global headwinds dragged on the economy. On the positive side, the growth that we experienced was largely driven by American consumption. Whatever is happening in the rest of the world, domestic demand is still strong. We hope that a stronger labor market, rising income, and higher consumer optimism translate into a solid economic growth in the fourth quarter. With 2015 behind us, we're now turning our attention to fourth quarter and end-of-year results to see how the economy performed in the final weeks of the year. Stay tuned for next month's video update, where we'll have the annual data to discuss. Well, that's it for the January Educational Economic Update. As always, if you have any questions or concerns about what we've discussed, please give our office a call at the number below. Now, here are some upcoming events that we'd like you to know about. State of the Markets, scheduled for January 26th. Retirement Planning Today at Drake State, January 28th, February 4th, or February 2nd and February the 9th. Rejuvenate Your Retirement at UAH, February 2nd and February the 9th. Once again, this is Don Cloud with Cloud Financial signing off for the month of January 2016. Now, please remember that nothing we've talked about here is a recommendation. If you would like to discuss your personal financial situation, please give us a call at 256-715-0094 and we'd be happy to talk to you.
While we believe the information in this report is reliable, we cannot guarantee its accuracy. Opinions expressed are subject to change without notice and are not intended as investment advice or a solicitation for the purchase or sale of any security. Please consult your financial professional before making any investment decision. Investment advisory services offered through Cloud Investments, LLC, a registered investment advisor in the state of Alabama. Insurance products and services are offered through Cloud Financial Incorporated. Cloud Investments, LLC and Cloud Financial Incorporated are affiliated companies.